Here's another simple card layout I made today, again using the Thoughtful Journey Designer Series paper. This paper is absolutely gorgeous with these watercolored images on it. And all I did today was just stamp the sketched butterflies with black ink. That's it. I added also a sentiment using the same black memento ink. And I just love how you can just make such a beautiful card with just black ink and some beautiful background paper. So this sentiment is also part of the same stamp set, and I'm just going to layer it up here. I punch these out with circle punches, and then we will just layer it onto the card. So I will have all the details, the links, everything, measurements and all that on my website. You can go to madetocreatewithlisa.com and you can find it all there. You will totally want to get a pack of this paper. It is just so I just can't say enough about it. So we're just going to add a couple gems and it's finished. Thanks so much for following along. Have a wonderful day and I'll talk to you again soon.